बोल बोलना बोल
Obvious, dude. It's obvious. Go ahead. So I'm just trying to clarify. So in porn, you're saying that's piss. They're trying to simulate what really happens, but in real life. Well,
If you've put a lot into your professional development, you can be very protective of your child, seeing her as a mother, and you think, you know, in order to as it were, protect my feminist legacy, I've got to take on those caring roles.
JA07.
He's more expensive, yeah?
Yeah.
Luxury. Oh, fuck.
The swearing as well. The raging.
Damn.
From lack of lubrication. They've always had that problem, and that was kind of the way to fix it. Well, inject some oil. Technically, if you think about it, it's kind of illegal. They still have to meet emission standards in the United States, right?
Wow.
And throwing oil, it's kind of...
Hey, they just T-boned them guys behind us, Nick. Dude, really? Oh my god, what an ass!
Yeah. Yeah,
For your device contracts, switch to T-Mobile and we'll pay off your large phone and upgrade you to a new Samsung Galaxy S23 or Z Flip 5 for free.
Sin frenar, sin frenar, sin frenar. Sin frenar. Muévase.
Silent होता है most of the time. That is what happens in every family. क्योंकि girls अपनी emotion तू कुछ करे तेरे पापा से ज़्यादा तेरी मम्मी डालती है.
Person drunk or what? They're definitely all over the fucking road, that's for sure. guy doing? I was gonna... Your back tire? Your back tire is super flat. Your far back tire is completely flat. On the other side. On the other side. Yeah. See.
Thanks, shit.
Yeah. We good, man. Oh, 4039652. That dude's hella fucking drunk.